This is another video tutorial on how to import spreadsheet to Vortex. I have just found out that if a spreadsheet was exported from the MLS data, we use this option, import MLS data, and then we select the spreadsheet that was exported from the MLS, and then we open that, and then we upload that. And then once it is finished processing, we are going to click on expired. It just merged 499 leads right here earlier because I have just uploaded them. So yeah, these are the new ones that we just uploaded. Like if you wanna make a test, for example, highway 11100, highway 140. Let's search that. Let's just see. So 11100, highway 140 is here. So right away they've found out the phone number and the name for this expired listing. And that's it. Thank you.